This is the Louniya at-home IPL hair removal device. I was sent a review from another brand as part of a comparison project, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox and demo and review this on its own first. Got our user's manual, safety glasses, razor, power cord, and our IPL device. Really gorgeous blue color with the diamonds here. Love the look. Oh my goodness. We've got a single bulb in there, non-polarized 2-prong plug. Plug it in down here, power it on. You're ready to go. There is a skin sensor window, so you cannot accidentally shoot and damage your eyes. So first, get those safety goggles on. Most IPL devices don't have ones that wrap around, so this is really good. Short press here to go through the power levels. There are 5. Double click here to turn on the cooling window, which keeps this part ice cold and makes it so nice and icy and cool because the light coming out of here is hot, right? That's what is destroying your hair follicles. So with the ice cold window, I love that. So nice. And then if you long press here, you've got auto glide. So instead of manually clicking, it'll activate and just every few seconds. Amazing, amazing device. I love it.